Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to create and manage multiple Shopify stores. This is going to be the website, Shopify again, and I'm currently using a 3 days free trial. So what you want to do for this one to create and manage multiple Shopify stores is that you need to click on the upper right section, go to My Store, look for the one that says All Stores right there. You're going to redirecting yourself on this new application. So for this, you can simply click on Create Store and manage this one moving forward. For example, I just created a new one. Clicking that one, just answer this to tailor fit your new store depending on your liking. Now, if you want to skip everything, of course you can, but let me just quickly answer everything here randomly so you guys can have an idea on how it looks like. So again, guys, each and one of these is going to be tailor fitting your store depending on your liking. And this is going to be the prices. I'm just going to decide later on that one. And basically, we have successfully created a new store. To view them, go back there, or you can definitely go back and forth between the two stores you have just created. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.